Looking for the best aquariums? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 aquariums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Hugo Horizon 8-gallon LED glass aquarium. Comes with a rocky background, pump, and an adjustable LED light. Light as a timer and comes in different colors and levels of brightness. Quiet and durable filter. Nice, curved shape. An aesthetically pleasing, 8-gallon tank with a different sign that provides a great home for your fish and a great addition to your house. The filter is strong, and small fish might get stuck in it. At number 2. Glowfish Aquarium Kit Fish Tank. Includes a low-profile hood, thermometer, heater, food, water conditioner, LED lights, and a setup guide. Variety of sizes offered. Thick, high-quality glass. Easy to set up and maintain. This kit offers all the essentials and more any aquarium needs for a fish to thrive while remaining at an affordable price. While the tank itself is well made, the accessories are of lower quality. At number 1. Aquion Fish Neo Glow LED Aquarium. Kit includes a hood, LED lights, gravel, plants, and a black background. Easy to set up. Lovely aesthetic. Solid, sturdy glass that does not scratch easily. A sturdy 10-gallon tank and accompanying kit that comes with everything you need to give your new fishes a nice home. The filter is rather loud. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.